The iMate is an intelligent bending aid designed for precision, efficiency, and ease of use. It automatically calculates sheet support based on material type, thickness, and lower tool parameters, ensuring seamless operation throughout the bending process. Whether moving together for larger sheets or independently for complex bends, the iMate provides optimal support at every stage. Built for strength, it offers a lifting capacity of 750 Newton meters and supports sheets up to 100 kilograms, making the handling of heavier materials effortless. Its adjustable height and extendable arms further enhance versatility, adapting to a wide range of bending applications. Easily programmed via the touchscreen, the iMate allows operators to fine-tune height adjustments. This flexibility ensures smooth and efficient operation for any bending task. The iMate allows you to choose from 3 return options: waiting for the press beam to fully return, moving in sync with the beam, or responding to a foot pedal signal. For even greater precision, the iMate seamlessly integrates with SafanDarley's eBend L measurement system, guaranteeing consistent and accurate bends every time. Experience intelligent bending with the iMate, automation, ergonomic support, and maximum precision in one solution.